Hi guys, welcome to our channel The Basely Way. Those of you who are new here, I'm Sanchita, and as you can see, me and my family are staycationing at 4 Points by Sheraton located in Viman Nagar Pune.
अरे दीदी रुको रुको, वीडियो का स्टार्ट घर से होना चाहिए।
अरे यार टुडे इज 31st एंड हम लोग अभी जाने वाले हैं फॉर स्टेकेशन। अभी घर से निकलने ही वाले हैं थोड़ी देर में। आई एम मेकिंग अ व्लॉग आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू टॉक टू यू ऑल। सो वी आर ऑल सेट एंड हम लोग कार में बैठ गए हैं। On the right side we have the washroom. We have the sink, all your necessities like your conditioner, shampoo, lotion. Here's the toilet and here's the shower cubicle. On the left side we have a big wardrobe and there's a safe, iron pad and iron slippers, hair hangers. Super, you can keep your luggage if there's any. So after this there's a huge mirror. There's this lovely room that we've got, very spacious, and we've kept our luggage here for now. Upar there's coffee or tea and some cups. Then we have a few drawers, a fridge as usual, which is empty right now. Yeah, let me show you the bed. Really pretty bed. And then we have the TV, a desk and a mirror again. And then this is where I'll be spending most of my time sitting and chilling. We have this lovely view. So it's only 2:50 right now and हमारा check-in was at 2 o'clock, but then नीचे थोड़ा verification में time लग गया. So me and Nikita will be staying in one room and mom dad का just room हमारे से adjacent ही है. We are on the 8th floor right now and dinner is at 7:30, 8ish. अभी रूम में आ गई है। कैसा लग रहा है तुमको रूम?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
अभी क्या करना है तुमको? सोना है?
नहीं, फोटोज खींचेंगे हम लोग, वीडियोस लेंगे, रूम का वीडियो।
So let's see you guys in the evening then. So guys, it's 6 in the evening abhi, and we were just lazing around. We just watched a movie and we'll start getting ready now. हम थोड़ी देर में just नीचे ही जाने वाले हैं. Happy New Year guys.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
And अभी हम लोग रूम जा रहे हैं because New Year completely is over and we're very tired. New Year is over guys and we are back in our room. मैं ज़्यादा नीचे record नहीं कर पाई. I'm sorry, but as you must have seen, the buffet spread was amazing. Each and every item on the menu tasted so well. I'm like very tired right now and all I want to do is just hit the bed. 2021 was quite a good year for me at least. Thank you everyone who is watching the video, who has subscribed to our channel. The channel grew so much. I grew as a person, professionally, emotionally, and it was all thanks to you. I hope 2022 is also a good year. And with that, it's a wrap on 2021. See you guys tomorrow in the morning. Bye bye. This mini staycation vlog, and if you're still watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to receive all post notifications instantly.